Hello everyone, I just got this big box in today, and so I can't wait to show you it, and I'm going to see what's in it. I know what I ordered. It's from Upper Deck Company, and I believe it involves Michael Jordan, but I'm very excited about this piece to add it, and I just wanted to share it with everyone. I apologize for my voice. I'm a little under the weather today. Let's see the best way to open this. Probably without the world viewing my backside there. I apologize. I didn't grab my box cutters because I was not expecting this to come in yet. But it's a big box, and it should involve something from Upper Deck dealing with Michael Jordan. Some fun bubble wrap, green style. Let me get rid of these. Oh. Okay. We will unwrap it carefully. So that we can see what is in it. Here's the back side. Let me grab the scissors again to make this quicker. All right. This piece is Upper Deck Authenticated, and it is of the Great Chicago Bull, number 23, Michael Jordan. It is having the largest Michael Jordan ever on record, and it's got a 3D effect. And here it is. It's called, the piece is called The Show. And this is Michael's autograph here. And it's the autograph, as you might be able to see if you come closer. Come close and show them what I mean by this, Hannah. All the way here. The autograph is behind, and then we have this acrylic acetate piece of the picture of Michael Jordan and the rim printed over the shadow piece to give it a 3D effect. If you'll notice, it's limited. This is number 107 of 123, authorized by the Upper Deck Company. And again, this is Michael Jordan's real autograph that he did. It's a very nice piece, the largest autograph Michael Jordan has ever done. I thank you very much. Thank you for watching my unveiling video of my brand new piece of Michael Jordan from Upper Deck. Have a good day.